What if the Linux distribution you have been waiting for was not created by a massive company, a huge development team, or a billion-dollar organization, but by one person working with an idea, a lot of patience, and an obsession with making Linux better? That is the story behind a project that has caught the attention of Linux enthusiasts who are tired of complicated setups, endless configuration, and the feeling that using Linux sometimes requires you to become a system administrator before you can simply enjoy your computer. The idea is simple but incredibly ambitious. Build a Linux experience that feels modern, fast, beautiful, flexible, and ready to use from the moment you install it. And the fascinating part is that one person is attempting to bring that vision to life almost entirely on his own. For years, Linux users have been asking for the same things. They want the freedom and customization of Linux, but they also want the convenience that people often associate with commercial operating systems. They want excellent hardware support, reliable updates, a polished desktop, sensible defaults, modern applications, and a system that does not constantly make them stop and search the internet for solutions. Linux has made enormous progress in these areas, but the ecosystem is still fragmented. There are hundreds of distributions, countless desktop environments, multiple package formats, and different philosophies about how an operating system should work. This freedom is one of Linux's greatest strengths, but it can also be one of its biggest weaknesses for newcomers. This is where the story of this ambitious developer becomes interesting. Instead of waiting for a major organization to solve these problems, he decided to build his own solution. The goal was not simply to create another Linux distribution with a different wallpaper and a new collection of applications. The real goal was to rethink the complete user experience. From installation to the desktop, from software management to updates, everything needed to feel like it belonged to one coherent system. That sounds easy until you understand what building an operating system actually involves. A modern Linux distribution is not one piece of software. It is an enormous collection of technologies working together. There is the Linux kernel, hardware drivers, system services, graphics stack, audio system, desktop environment, package management, security framework, networking, installers, update systems, application packaging, and countless other components. Even when a developer builds on top of an existing Linux base, making everything work together smoothly is a huge challenge. The most impressive part of this project is therefore not simply the number of features. It is the ambition behind the project. The developer is effectively trying to answer a question that the Linux community has been asking for decades. What would happen if someone designed the entire Linux desktop experience around the average person rather than around technical experts? Imagine installing Linux and immediately being presented with a clean, understandable desktop. No confusing decisions. No strange defaults. No unnecessary applications. Everything feels intentional. The interface is modern without being overloaded with visual effects. The system is fast and responsive, even on modest hardware. Applications are easy to discover and install. Updates are handled intelligently. And when something goes wrong, the system gives you useful information instead of throwing a cryptic error message at you. This kind of experience could be extremely important for Linux. The biggest barrier to mainstream adoption has never necessarily been performance. Linux can be incredibly fast. It is not necessarily security either, because Linux has a strong reputation for stability and security. The real challenge is often usability and consistency. A person moving from Windows or Mac OS does not want to learn 10 new concepts before they can connect a printer, install an application, or configure a display. They want the computer to work. The developer behind this project appears to understand that problem. Rather than trying to compete with every Linux distribution at once, the project focuses on creating a distinct experience. The idea is to take the incredible technology already available in the Linux ecosystem and present it in a way that feels unified. This is important because Linux does not necessarily need another operating system that is technically impressive but difficult for ordinary users. What it needs are projects that reduce friction. Of course, building something like this alone comes with serious limitations. One person cannot realistically test every possible laptop, desktop, graphics card, Wi-Fi adapter, printer, and peripheral. A large company can have dedicated teams for security, hardware compatibility, design, documentation, and quality assurance. An independent developer has to make difficult decisions about where to spend limited time and energy. That makes the community incredibly important. Even if the original vision comes from one person, The future of a project like this depends on people who test it, report bugs, create documentation, contribute code, improve translations, and share their experiences. A project can begin as a one-person dream and eventually become a community-driven ecosystem. In fact, that is one of the most powerful ideas behind open source. There is also a deeper story here about what Linux represents. Linux was never supposed to be controlled by one company. It grew because people around the world believed that software could be built collaboratively and shared freely. When one developer creates something ambitious, they are not working in isolation from the entire Linux world. They are standing on decades of work created by thousands of programmers and communities. The project also raises an important question about what people actually want from Linux. Do users want endless choice? Or do they want a system where someone has already made the difficult decisions for them? The answer is probably both. Experienced Linux users love the ability to customize almost everything. New users often prefer sensible defaults. The best modern Linux distributions may be the ones that provide a great experience out of the box while still allowing advanced users to take control whenever they want. This is why projects like this can be so exciting. They demonstrate that innovation in Linux does not always have to come from giant organizations. Sometimes a single person can look at an existing ecosystem and say, there has to be a better way. They can experiment, fail, rebuild, and slowly transform an idea into something real. But we should also be realistic. Creating a promising Linux distribution is one thing. Maintaining it for years is another. The Linux ecosystem changes constantly. Kernels receive new releases, desktop environments evolve, security threats appear, applications change their requirements, and hardware manufacturers introduce new devices. Long-term success requires consistent development and a sustainable community. If this project can overcome those challenges, however, its impact could be much larger than its size suggests. It could inspire other developers to rethink the Linux desktop. It could encourage users who previously avoided Linux to give it another chance. And perhaps most importantly, it could prove that the future of desktop Linux does not have to be decided by the biggest companies. The story of one person building the Linux everyone was waiting for is ultimately not just about one operating system. It is about the freedom to experiment. It is about taking the pieces that already exist and putting them together in a new way. It is about believing that the desktop Linux experience can become simpler without losing its power. Maybe this project will become the next major Linux distribution. Maybe it will remain a smaller passion project. Maybe parts of its ideas will influence other developers and eventually appear across the wider Linux ecosystem. Whatever happens, the experiment itself is worth watching. Because the most exciting thing about Linux has always been the possibility that something new can come from anywhere. A university, a company, a community, or even one person sitting at a computer with a vision can create something that changes the conversation. And if this developer succeeds in building the experience that so many Linux users have been waiting for, the biggest achievement may not be creating another distribution. It may be proving that Linux can finally feel like a complete modern desktop operating system without giving up the freedom that made people love Linux in the first place.